Hello and welcome back to Lexus of Edmonton, located on the West End. Today I'm going to walk you through and show you the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited X in Slate Blue Pearl on black. A few of the safety features include rear parking sensors, backup cameras, blind spot monitor, park assist, and more. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Up front is a signature Jeep grille paired with LED headlights, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, keyless entry into the vehicle, and the door panel has your power windows, mirrors, and door locks, along with your memory seat settings. The front seats are heated and come with 12-way driver, 12-way passenger adjustable with lumbar support. You get a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters, gauge cluster, infotainment center with all the radio, media, navigation, and car settings, below are manual controls for climate and audio, along with your parking assist options. A hidden storage area with charging ports, dual cup holders in the center, your drive mode select, and the gear shifter. The center console has additional storage and charging ports, and above the rearview mirror sunglasses holder, interior touch lighting, and power controls for the full panoramic moonroof. In the back, passengers still have plenty of head and leg room, with center climate vents and charging ports, fold-down armrest with dual cup holders, and heading to the back, your power liftgate opens up, and inside you have plenty of room for daily essentials, camping equipment, or even luggage. You get a detachable sunshade and privacy cover, bag hooks on the side, small storage area, additional bag hooks on the other side with chargers, and hidden neatly beneath the floor is your spare tire and storage. And on the left side is your power tailgate close button. If you'd like to see this one for yourself, head on down to Lexus of Edmonton and let us find the vehicle best suited for you.